No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is unknown. I am starting with Inception because it is a high-information mainstream movie with distinctive year, genres, cast, and director. I will accept the cookie banner, select the title from the drop-down, and click the guess button because enter does not submit. Type card is green for Inception, and the guess medium is movie, so target median equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years with an up arrow, meaning the target is newer than 2010. Rating is farther than 0.5 with a down arrow, meaning the target rating is lower than 8.8. No genre overlaps are visible for action, adventure, or sci-fi, and no overlaps are visible for Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page, or Christopher Nolan. Constraints: target is a movie, released after 2012, rated below 8.3, not action, adventure, sci-fi, and does not include those listed Inception people. Type card is green from Inception, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther with target newer than 2010, rating is farther with target lower than 8.8, and Inception genres and people show no overlap. I will guess Get Out to test a 2017 non-action movie with horror, mystery, thriller, and a much lower rating range. Type card is green for Get Out. The guess medium is movie, so target median equals movie. Year is same at 2017, and rating is within 0.5 with an up arrow, meaning the target rating is higher than 7.8 but close. Genres horror, mystery, and thriller appear gray with no overlap. Actors Daniel Kaluuya, Allison Williams, Bradley Whitford, and director Jordan Peele show no green overlap. Constraints: target is a 2017 movie. IMDb rating is about 7.9 to 8.3. It is not horror, mystery, thriller, and it does not include the listed Get Out cast or director. Type card is green from Get Out, so target medium equals movie. The target is exactly a 2017 movie, rating is within 0.5 and higher than 7.8 with no horror, mystery, thriller, action, adventure, or sci-fi overlap from prior guesses. 3 Billboards is a 2017 movie rated about 8.1 with comedy, crime, and drama, so it is a strong candidate and also tests common 2017 awards film overlaps. Nice, the answer was 3 Billboards Outside Ebbing, Missouri, solved in 3 guesses. The key clues were that it had to be a 2017 movie with a rating just above Get Out, and the final match locked in the comedy crime drama profile plus Martin McDonagh in the cast.